Looking at tanks, that's all I want to do. You know, a 70-ton beast, I mean, there's nothing like it. You feel invincible inside of it, can crush anything, fire on anything. There's really nothing like it. I mean, you've got a 1,500 horsepower, you know, turbine engine out of a Black Hawk helicopter in the back of it. You've got 70 tons worth of armor. Honestly, everything about it is just awesome. Nothing but adrenaline. You feel invincible on it, you really do. You've got a lot of firepower on that vehicle. Every crew member has firepower on that vehicle. You get out in the field, you're on that tank, you're on that vehicle, that's your home. You know, you could be out in the field for 3 weeks at a time, maybe in the desert environment, woodland environment, and you just build that cohesion, that you just become a family on that vehicle, and it's pretty awesome. You know, you build a strong bond, and like I said, that tank just becomes your home.